Welcome back to SKCarWorld. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari has entered the world of luxury motorhomes, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. Imagine the power and performance of a Ferrari combined with the comfort and technology of a high-end luxury home on wheels. This masterpiece is redefining what it means to travel in style and speed. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep look at this ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and innovation. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome looks absolutely stunning. The design carries Ferrari's signature aerodynamic curves and aggressive styling cues that we usually see in their supercars. The bold front fascia features a sleek LED matrix lighting setup, a large carbon fiber grille with the iconic prancing horse logo, and sculpted air vents for cooling and downforce. The side profile is low and sporty, built with lightweight carbon fiber panels, giving it both a futuristic and aerodynamic appearance. Ferrari has even equipped it with active aerodynamic systems, yes, just like their sports cars, allowing the motorhome to adjust airflow for better efficiency and performance on highways. Now moving to the engine and performance, this is where Ferrari truly breaks boundaries. Underneath, you'll find a hybrid V8 engine paired with advanced electric motors, producing a combined power of nearly 900 horsepower. This means the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome isn't just for cruising. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a vehicle of this size. The hybrid setup ensures maximum power when needed and efficiency during long-distance travel. The intelligent drive system automatically balances performance and fuel economy, and it features Ferrari's patented RoadSense suspension that adapts to terrain for a smooth, stable ride. Inside, the interior is pure Italian luxury. The moment you step in, you're welcomed by a fusion of leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara. The cockpit feels like a Ferrari GT car, featuring a digital dashboard with a curved display that extends to the passenger side. The steering wheel is the same as Ferrari's supercars, complete with paddle shifters and drive mode selectors. But once you move into the living area, everything transforms into first-class comfort. There's a large reclining sofa with massaging functions, ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood, and a massive 85-inch 8K smart display for entertainment. The kitchen area is compact yet elegant, equipped with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, espresso machine, and even a built-in wine cooler. Ferrari calls it La Cucina Rossa, meaning the red kitchen, designed with red accented finishes that echo Ferrari's signature color. Heading to the bedroom, you'll find a king-size smart bed with temperature control, memory foam cushioning, and panoramic roof windows that bring the stars into your room. The walls are soundproof, ensuring complete peace during rest. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, touch-free controls, and luxury materials like marble effect panels and gold-finished faucets. Tech-wise, this motorhome is loaded with innovation. It features Ferrari's AI-powered assistant that manages lighting, climate, and entertainment through voice control. You can say, "Ciao Ferrari," and adjust anything from the cabin temperature to the sunroof. It also has 360-degree cameras, LiDAR sensors for safety, and an advanced autopilot system for highway driving. Plus, the roof has solar panels that charge the auxiliary systems, reducing battery usage and increasing eco-efficiency. Ferrari didn't just build a motorhome, they built a mobile experience that blends the thrill of racing with the comfort of a luxury suite. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the engine sound profile, has been carefully designed to reflect Ferrari's DNA. The price of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome? Reports suggest it starts around $3.5 million USD, making it one of the most exclusive luxury vehicles in the world. Only a limited number will be produced, and most units are already reserved by Ferrari's elite clients. So, if you've ever dreamed of driving a Ferrari that can also serve as your home on the road, this is it. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome proves that luxury travel doesn't have to be slow, it can be powerful, passionate, and perfectly Italian. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKCarWorld for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video, and until then, keep dreaming big and driving in style.